I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Peugeot 3008. So from any screen, click nav, which is the button here. Click. It's actually gone straight onto destination, but for argument's sake, if it wasn't on destination, click nav again, select destination, click, enter an address, England, town, road. So we'll go to town and we'll try postcode. Now, from here, you can either turn till you get to it, or you can also use this. So if I click down there, so we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, PR. We now want numbers, which it's defaulted to, fortunately, but I can just click down there. PR5, click the rotary button there to OK. 4, click OK. And then we want JS. So we'll click up there and use that to click along. J, select. It's a bit long-winded, this, but you're not going to be using it every day. So that's PR5 4JS, Preston. It's defaulted to OK, so we'll select OK. OK again. Fastest route, shortest route. OK. Navigation is an electronic aid. It can never be a substitute for the driver. Every guidance instruction should be carefully checked by the user. OK, we've accepted that. That's it. It is a long-winded system, but it'll get you there. It's a lot easier than looking at signs or a map book in the long run.